Hey everybody, here's a quick question somebody sent me um, from one of the first homeworks. So you got an equation, P is equal to BC over N, and the instructions are, I should have written them up here, but the instructions are to solve the equation for N. Um, so the first thing I want to do is I want to get N out of the denominator here. So the easiest way for me to do this, a couple of different ways to think about it, but one of the ways I do is I know that if I've got two fractions equal to each other, I can cross multiply. So I just rewrite P as P over 1, right? Anything can be written as itself over 1 as a fraction, right? Because dividing anything by 1 doesn't do anything to it. So that's why P is equivalent to P over 1. So after I do that, excuse me, I just got to scroll down here. There you go. So after I do that, I can just cross multiply. P times N is equal to Pn here. And then 1 times BC, 1 times anything is just itself. So this is B times C on the left side. Now what I want to do is remember the whole idea is to get N all by itself. So I've got to get P over to the other side of the equation. So I'm just going to divide both sides by P, right? And that gets rid of the p's here on the left side and just leaves us with n, because p divided by p is just 1. 1 times n is just n. And then I've got bc over p on the right side of the equation. So that's how we solve this equation for n. And that it's not like you get, usually when you're solving equations, you get like x is equal to 3. You get a number. But here, all we're really doing is we're rewriting an equation. So this is a handy skill to have for sure, to kind of be able to rewrite any equation in which one of the variables is alone on one side. Okay, it's great for formulas.